put together an estimate for a corporate conference, presenters, 2 cameras back of the room, wide lock off, follow close-up cam operated, and they asked me to provide a riser. And in my career, I can only think of one other instance where I had to be the vendor to provide the camera riser. So I got quotes from 3 different event rental companies in the San Antonio area. The first quote was almost $3,000 for a 9x9 riser set, skirted staircase with a railing, that pickup, build, delivery, and strike. It's for a 1-week rental. It's basically 3 days of conference and then a build day and a strike day. Next quote I got was around $1,100 or $1,200 for a 4x4 or I think 4x8, same price. I looked at Amazon and saw I could buy an aluminum riser delivered for between $400 and $500 plus tax. All 3 required some lead time. Had to reserve, secure, place a deposit, and then the Amazon ship time. And reading Amazon reviews, I was a little wary. The one I settled on that was advertised as a 4x4, some of the reviews I saw online said it was a 3x3. 4x4 I can work with. 3x3 is not going to be big enough for 2 tripods and an operator. Well, I kept checking in with client and they weren't ready to confirm. And then once the job finally confirmed, it was less than a week out from our first day. First supplier was no longer available. Second supplier, there were some delivery potential issues. I might have to pick up and drop off myself. And I was outside the ship window to buy one on Amazon or another supplier. They all were like 7 to 14 days ship time. So as you can see in the time lapse here, my only option remaining was Beck and I had to build it. And this ended up being the most cost effective. So I just gave the client the Amazon pricing. I'm going to clear about $550 billable, and it was $50 in lumber. I already had the carpet glue, and deck screws, and then the skirting 17 foot by 30 inch table skirt, which ended up dimensionally fitting perfect. It's fabric, not plastic. That was, I think, about $45 shipped. So all in, I'm in it for about $100 in materials, $550 billable. So I'm going to pay Beck and myself for our time constructing this. We got this built, including the Home Depot time, in under 3 hours.
And camera?
Yeah, you want to grab 2 tripods just to see how it all lands?
Not really.
Let's do it. It's good for the vlog.
Yeah, that's more work. Crushing one of my fingers. Ow.
You don't have to extend the legs.
Yeah.
All right, I would nest them, bring that one all the way forward to the corner. This one, the wide shot, the unoperated. And then now nest that one under it. Off the edge. Think about that back leg relative to your leg. Slide it over because you're going to kick it right there in your chair. Keep sliding over until it hits. Keep going all the way. Moss. Go. Hopping over. There you go. There you go. Yeah, that's the idea. Wide shot on the right. Operated follow cam on the left. You got a chair or you can stand. You got plenty of leg room here too up front. Get these fiddles so your chair won't slide off the riser. With drywall screws, because yeah, I'm a film guy, not a carpenter. Riser update, we did a tech scout and the location contact asked me to put some kind of padding on the base legs because they've got like a tongue and groove floor. It's vinyl, so the wood wouldn't mark it up, but to make them happy, just stapled some carpet on the legs. And then I had a can of spray paint, so I painted the black fiddles, made the fiddles black. Looks like I missed right there, but good enough. So this is a one-use riser, and when we get it back after the job's done, 3-day shoot, I think I'm gonna repurpose the lumber and cut this down as maybe 3 feet by 16 inches as a riser for shooting in the MMA cage. Those are 30-inch high legs. I think I'm gonna have to go 4 feet, 48 inches to get up over the cage from ground level. Based on the local building code, 30 inches and less do not require our handrail surrounding the deck. Staircases are a little bit different, and it depends on residential versus commercial, but in general, it looks like 1 step or less, you don't need a handrail, and then 2 or more, a 2-step, you need a single side, and 3 or 4 steps and beyond. Again, it varies based on codes and application. Handrails on both sides. So in my email communication back and forth, I was like, I'm just doing a riser. I'm not going to do steps, knowing it was my one camera operator was going to be up there, me or Beck in this case. So I didn't mention I didn't get into the weeds on building codes with the client, but I had it all documented in the email. I'm not doing stairs. I'm just doing a riser. Day one of the conference, we got our opening remarks. We'd probably been rolling for 2 minutes. Someone came over and told us we can't be on the riser because it doesn't have a handrail and it doesn't have a staircase. You got to put the cameras on the floor. Well, it turns out day one of this conference, the first couple of sessions were all safety related topics in manufacturing, including death and severe injury. We had to come down to the floor for the duration of the conference. On all the vendor quotes I received for staging, none of them included a handrail around the riser. When the RFP came in for this project, initially I pushed back on the riser. I'm like, I don't supply that, but I'm happy to provide referrals. I'll even get the quotes and pass them directly to you so you can book direct on the staging. It's like, I don't want to get into pipe, drape, all that conference stuff. Obviously not my area of knowledge, but they were pretty insistent that I had to include all of that and be a single supplier on this project. There was no drama or backlash. Everyone was cool and it worked out. And we got our shots. It wasn't like people were courteous in the conference and ducked under our cameras when they walked by. Had I just done like 16 or 18 inches tall, it would have been enough height to clear heads. If I had been at that height, would the safety guy have not had issue? I wanted to ask him, and I didn't see him later on and have the opportunity to work it out, but it wouldn't have mattered. I wouldn't have been able to lower it at that point. Let me know your thoughts and experience with risers in the comments below. I'm thinking through all my years, like press risers, hotel and conference centers with cameras on platforms. I can't think of an instance where I've seen a handrail around the camera riser. Certainly staircases, it's varied. And, staging when it's at like an arena with bleachers or something, or a press box on the roof of a building, like all of that has had handrail. But seeing cameras in the back of ballrooms and at conferences and smaller press events, I've never seen a handrail around the risers. I'm sure it happens. I just haven't seen it. So didn't really occur to me, again, 30 inches or less. But let me know your experience with all of this in the comments below.